Make a great choice today with 2012 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better fuel economy, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, roof rails, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights, rear view camera, leather trim seats, air conditioning third row, independent controls. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.